Introduce highlight features or overview summary of COOLBEBE washer dryer countertop, solid wood washer dryer topper with edge, washer and dryer covers. There are features include premium quality material. Washer and dryer covers for the top is made of high quality wood, which is sturdy, long-lasting, with high load-bearing capacity, waterproof and easy to clean. The natural wood texture of the laundry countertop is simple and generous, combining practicality and aesthetics, blending perfectly with a variety of interior styles to create an elegant and sophisticated atmosphere. Enhance your laundry room. Washer-dryer countertop measures 54-inch, width, 27.5-inch, depth, 4.53-inch, height, to fit most washer and dryer combos. Washer and dryer countertop offers plenty of room for your laundry room organization and storage, convenient for folding, ironing clothes and organizing items, greatly improving space utilization, easing your daily life and keeping a tidy space. Anti-fall and round edge design. Washer-dryer topper is designed with safety fences on the sides and back to effectively prevent items from falling. Washer countertop has rounded edges protection, with no sharp corners, effectively preventing scratches and knocks, and ensuring a safer and more organized laundry area. With non-slip pads, laundry machine topper includes non-slip pads that hold the countertop firmly in place on the washer-dryer and the countertop fits snugly. This prevents the washer and dryer topper from sliding even when in use, ensuring safety and stability when doing laundry. And effectively protects countertops from dust and scratches. Easy to assemble. Laundry countertop over washer and dryer is easy to install and comes with installation tools and instructions. Our laundry tabletop for washer and dryer with pre-drilled holes for each accessory, making them more aesthetically pleasing with no holes visible on the exterior after installation. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.